My video tutorial is now dedicated to help you get rid of the online scam by the website Avicherd.xyz. Avicherd.xyz is a dangerous site displaying pretty scary content. This site, Avicherd.xyz, tries to make you scared regarding the condition of your computer in order to make you download and install some potentially unwanted applications. If you see these pop-ups by Avicherd.xyz, don't trust them, don't tolerate them. These pop-ups are fake and really deceptive, so just leave this deceptive page. I recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and start carefully researching the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other infections which could possibly still remain stealthily on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.